Regardless of your cooking, cleaning, or entertaining style, Kohler Kitchen Faucet Task Sprays will make life in the kitchen easier. Our sweep spray features specially angled nozzles that create a wide, forceful blade of water. It sweeps away stuck-on food from dishes and rinses your sink clean. Berry Soft is a light spray that gently washes fruits and vegetables. It's the perfect way to prep without bruising your produce. For everyday cleaning tasks, our ring spray delivers a precise and powerful flow of water to wash away debris. Pause function allows you to halt water flow to extend the spray head beyond your sink, so you can water a plant or fill your coffee pot. Our aerate stream makes it easy to fill large pots and vases quickly. Look for our kitchen task sprays on Kohler pull-down and pull-out kitchen faucets, as well as select side sprays. Kohler Kitchen Faucet Task Sprays, practical innovations for the busy kitchen.
Krause's product development focuses on the end user. We are trying to give them the most exceptional experience in their home. The house is centered around the kitchen. That is the heart of the home. So because of that, we believe we can provide the best overall aesthetic. We want to make sure we focus on the features, and those features may be sourced from all over the world. We do have advanced manufacturing technologies. An example of this is the DEX product, which has a special formed waterway system. And that's an example of how we go about finding and working with companies and manufacturers to create the best product.